Hello everyone, my name is Dennis and welcome back to my YouTube channel, a channel with made-up reaction. So today, I'm gonna do react to Miss Diana Ankudinova. Miss Diana Ankudinova is come from Russia. She is one of the best singer from Russia because of her voice quality. So guys, before we proceed to our main topic, I am honestly telling you that I am not a professional and perfect reactionist, but I can do my best for you guys. So please respect everyone. So before we start guys, don't forget subscribe and click the bell. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, Miss Diana Ankudinova. I love this song even if I don't understand. Wow, amazing, amazing guys. Yeah, the best Miss Diana Ankudinova. Wow. Best of all time, Miss Diana Ankudinova. So that's all guys from Miss Diana Ankudinova. So guys, if you enjoyed, please comment down below and suggest our next video reacting tomorrow and other day. So before I go guys, don't forget subscribe and click the bell. Thank you for watching my live viewers. I love you all. Bye bye.